Hi, it's Julien here again. I'm here with Heather, who's had a very busy weekend of working ridiculous hours and has also been camping, and was saying, yeah, all of that must have thrown something up. And we've just been talking about your jammy shoulder, where it kind of feels it sticks up in the rhomboids. And actually, we're just talking about how when I get this with my right shoulder, where somebody comes in and I have an AT separation injury here, if somebody's talking about it, my right shoulder starts to ache. It's weird, and if you're clinicians out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about, just put something in the comments, because that would be interesting to read those. Anyway, right, much to do then, because you're normally have been queen of the clear run.
Yeah.
Sounds like not a fat chance in hell this time. Right, so up you jump, let's have a go. Have a go on it. Don't say that ever to people. No, never say that. No, never film that and put that on YouTube either. Don't do that, ever. That would be a dumb thing to do.
Too bad we don't edit our videos.
Yeah, and yeah. These just are straight live, no editing, absolutely, as it happens.
One take, one day.
One take, one day, exactly, yeah. Okay, so turn your head all the way to the right, all the way left, and to the middle. You're normally right PD.
Yeah.
Yes, you definitely are right PD. And, oh. Whoa. So that's probably 0.2 on a right 2. Heather has been pushing it. Right. Okay,
broken.
possibility 2. So as you can see, short in position 1 clearly drops away in position 2. That right leg is kind of heading south, big skull. So we go straight to L4. Left hand up behind your back. And there we go. Both hands behind your back. And I find this quite a lot. Yeah, there you go. You'll get the L4 on one side, the L2 on the other side, and they will be usually no head they have a sore back. So both back down, let's clear that. Make sure you're definitely doing the ramp and hold thing. So 8 pounds of preload pressure, deliberate thrust, definite pause and release. I'm not timing it with the lights there on there, but it just so happens to be about the right time. Perhaps that will be in future activators. There we go, straight away, level legs, hurrah. Good, right hand up by your face. Big deep breath in and out. Left hand up as well. And both back down by side. Just turn your head to the right. Lift the right shoulder off the couch, back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears, back down. Okay, so none of the standard thoracics coming up there. Take your left hand up above your head. Maybe. Swap your hands around. So that's T5, this is T3. Okay, both back down by sides, head back into the centre. So if it's anything, it's an inferior T5. Angle of the scapula, come across, find 4, which is the obvious step up. So the one below it, looking for an inferior, so I'm looking for that tender spot.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the one there, nice clear. How's that one?
No.
That one? Not really, but that one, definitely on it. Okay, turn head to the right, left hand up above your head. If there's any doubt, it's probably worth rechecking. You can check the facets here. Arm back down by side, lift the right shoulder off the couch, back down. Just double checking that T4. And could it even be a lateral? Okay. Squeeze the right elbow into your side and let go. Squeeze the left one in and let go. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Super clear. Left medial scapula, head back into the centre. And as we know, Heather, left-handed people just makes it easier to spot the good people, doesn't it? Yeah. And And I think you raised an interesting point about when we're fatigued and tired, do we start getting subluxations? Are we likely to pick up neurological errors? Yeah, of course we are. Lift up your head, back down, tuck your chin down to your chest and back to centre. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and down. Okay, so left hand up behind your back. That's the one, push elbow outwards and let go. In Activator world, that is the global medial scapula. So can you have a medial scapula and a global medial scapula? Absolutely. For me, it's kind of more, it's rhomboids. It's actually difficult to feel the medial border of your scapula. So yeah, definitely tie it in there. Palm of left hand up onto the back of your neck. Lift that elbow off the couch and back down. Push the elbow down into the couch and let go. Arm back down by side. Just do palm of left hand on back of the neck again. So we're definitely getting nothing on there. Bring your arm back down by your side. The inferior scapular test. Yeah, kind of half spotted a change there, nearly missed it. So into the superior medial aspect of the scapula and as straight superior as you can get it. Okay. Personally, from camping, I know if there's one thing you tend to niggle when you're camping is you'll irritate your lateral greater trochanters and the trochanteric bursitis because your hip is grinding into the ground and it wakes you up and it's painful. So let's just check lateral trochanter. There you go. And if I had to call it, I would say, if I can guess here, when you sleep on your side, you probably tend to sleep on your right side more. Any tenderness? Oh, there it is. Not too bad?
No, about a week ago it was bad.
Yeah, okay. There you go. Tail end of the irritation. Okay. Anything else I should be thinking about? No. Cool. Excellent. So I'm going to say this at the beginning before I forget. Do the YouTubey things. There we go. That's the right phrase. And good. I'll see you all next time. Send me any requests of anything if you want me to do specific things. Do let me know. Okay. Cheers.